Hola, bienvenidos. Hello and welcome. Today we are going to sing a lullaby from Mexico, and it is called Este, Nino, Lindo. This should be reviewed for most of my Panther friends because we did this at the beginning of the year at the Fiesta. So I'm going to start with solfege, and I want you to echo right after me. You can click on those blinking eighth notes to help you with the syllables. We're going to start on mi. Turn that up a little bit. Here I go. Mi, re, mi, fa, sol, so. Your turn. La, sol, fa, mi, re, re. Sol, la, sol, fa, mi, do. Re, mi, re, do, sol, sol. And that's the main melody for the lullaby. We're just going to repeat it again from the beginning. So let's go ahead and put it together and sing. Here we go. Start on mi. Mi, re, mi, fa, sol, so. La, sol, fa, mi, re, re. Sol, la, sol, fa, mi, do. Re, mi, re, do, sol, sol. It's a beautiful melody, and it's really good to rock a baby to sleep like lullabies are. So we're going to go over the Spanish words next. So I'm going to say the Spanish phrase, and I want you to repeat right after me. Este niño lindo. Go. And that means this beautiful baby boy. You could say niña if you want to say baby girl. Que nació de noche. Go ahead. And that means that was born at night. Quiere que lo lleven a pasar en coche. Say that first part. Quiere que lo lleven. Go ahead. A pasar en coche. So when we say that phrase, we're saying wants us to take him for a ride in the car, for a car ride, okay? Let's put it together. Este niño lindo que nació de noche quiere que lo lleven a pasar en coche. The second verse starts exactly the same way. This beautiful baby boy, este niño lindo que nació de día. So what would be the opposite of de noche? De día, which is in the daytime. So this beautiful baby boy that was born in the daytime. Quiere que lo lleven a comer sandía. So this time, this beautiful baby boy that was born in the daytime wants us to take him to eat watermelon. Sandia is watermelon. So that's the words, and let's put them together. Just speaking. Here we go. Este niño lindo que nació de noche quiere que lo lleven a pasar en coche. Este niño lindo que nació de día quiere que lo lleven a comer sandía. Now we're ready to sing. So I'm going to start, and I want you to sing right after me. You can use those eighth notes to help you with the words. Here I go. Este niño lindo. Sing. Que nació de second verse. Este niño lindo que nació de día quiere que lo lleven a comer sandía. Nice job. Now we are ready to put it together with a simple piano accompaniment.